Ford's F-150 isn't just America's best-selling truck. It's been the best-selling vehicle in the United States for decades. And with the 2026 model, Ford is making sure that lead only gets bigger. Today, we're diving deep into everything that makes the 2026 F-150 special, from a brand-new street performance variant to class-leading towing numbers and the most comprehensive powertrain lineup in the segment. Let's get into it. The biggest news for 2026? Ford is bringing the Lobo nameplate to the F-150 lineup for the first time. And this isn't just a cosmetic package with some stickers and special paint. The Lobo is a legitimate street performance truck designed to take on muscle cars and sports sedans. Taking inspiration from the successful Maverick Lobo, the F-150 version cranks everything up for full-size truck buyers who want their pickup to perform like a sports car. The Lobo gets a unique, aggressive front grille paired with a chin spoiler and side skirts. These aren't just for looks. Ford engineered these aerodynamic improvements to actually enhance performance at higher speeds. It rides on massive 22-inch wheels with a fresh 6-spoke design, wrapped in Bridgestone Alenza tires sized at 275/50 R22. This is a street-focused setup that prioritizes handling over off-road capability. Ford is clearly saying the Lobo is built for pavement, not dirt trails. Now, the real question everyone's asking, what's under the hood? Early reports suggest we could see anything from a high-output 5-liter V8 producing over 400 horsepower to a performance-tuned EcoBoost pushing well beyond 450 horsepower. Some sources even hint at dark horse-level performance, which would put the Lobo in supercharged V8 territory, with numbers that would make sports car owners seriously nervous. But performance trucks are just one piece of the puzzle. When it comes to getting real work done, the 2026 F-150 continues to dominate every competitor in the full-size pickup segment. The headline number? 13,500 pounds of maximum towing capacity when you spec the F-150 with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine. That's class-leading performance that beats out the Chevrolet Silverado, Ram 1500, and Toyota Tundra. The 5-liter V8 isn't far behind, delivering up to 12,900 pounds of towing capability. But raw numbers only tell part of the story. Ford has equipped the 2026 F-150 with advanced towing technologies that make the job easier and safer. Pro Trailer Backup Assist takes the guesswork out of backing up. Just turn the knob in the direction you want the trailer to go, and the truck handles all the steering automatically. Pro Trailer Hitch Assist uses cameras and sensors to line up your truck with a trailer coupler, making hookup a one-person job. The Smart Trailer Tow Connector automatically detects what type of trailer you're pulling and adjusts the truck settings accordingly. Whether you're hauling a boat, RV, or work trailer, the F-150 optimizes everything from transmission shifting to brake response. Payload capacity is equally impressive, with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost delivering up to 2,440 pounds of hauling capability. The 5-liter V8 provides up to 2,225 pounds of payload. The 2026 F-150's interior represents a perfect balance between rugged functionality and modern technology. Ford has reimagined the cabin experience while maintaining the practical layout that F-150 buyers expect. The centerpiece is a massive 12-inch digital instrument cluster that can display 2 sets of information simultaneously. Whether you're monitoring towing data or off-road performance metrics, the screen puts everything you need right in front of you, and it's fully customizable. Right next to that is an equally impressive 12-inch horizontal touchscreen controlling the latest Sync infotainment system. It's faster and more responsive than before, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that connect automatically. The over-the-air update capability means your truck software will continue to improve long after you drive it off the lot. Ford offers the F-150 in 3 different cab configurations. Regular cab models seat 3 and maximize bed length for work applications. Super cab models add small rear doors and a second-row bench, bringing total seating to 6. Super Crew models feature full-size rear doors and comfortable seating for 5 adults. Storage solutions are everywhere. Ford has added fold-flat work surfaces, hidden compartments, and organizational features throughout the cabin. Higher trim levels get premium touches like massaging seats and upgraded materials. The Bang & Olufsen 14-speaker audio system delivers concert-quality sound, while the available head-up display projects key driving information onto the windshield. Wi-Fi hotspot capability means you can stay connected even in remote locations. The 2026 F-150 offers the most comprehensive powertrain lineup in the full-size pickup segment, with options ranging from efficient daily drivers to absolute powerhouses. The entry point is the twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6, producing 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, with EPA ratings of 18 to 19 mpg city and 23 to 25 mpg highway. For traditional truck power, the 5-liter naturally aspirated V8 delivers 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, with that classic V8 sound and feel. Fuel economy sits at 16 mpg city and 24 mpg highway. The 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 represents the sweet spot, producing 400 horsepower and an impressive 500 pound-feet of torque. This engine delivers V8-level power with better fuel efficiency. For Raptor applications, Ford cranks this engine up to 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid system is where technology meets capability. Combining the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with a 47-horsepower electric motor, this setup produces 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque, while achieving 22 mpg city and 24 mpg highway. The real party trick? A 704-mile range on a single tank. The hybrid system also provides up to 7.2 kilowatts of exportable power through the Pro Power On-Board system. That's enough electricity to run power tools, lights, or small appliances directly from your truck. At the top sits the Raptor R with its supercharged 5.2-liter V8, producing 700 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 happens in just 3.8 seconds. That's supercar territory for a vehicle weighing over 6,000 pounds. Every engine pairs with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission for seamless shifts. Here's where the 2026 F-150 truly separates itself from every competitor: the sheer number of ways you can configure your truck. Ford offers 9 different trim levels, multiple cab configurations, 3 bed lengths, and countless option packages. Starting at the bottom, the XL trim begins at around $40,000 and provides everything you need for serious work applications. Even base XL models come with a 12-inch digital cluster, touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and Ford's complete Co-Pilot 360 safety suite. Moving up to XLT trim, priced around $45,000, you get upgraded interior materials, exterior chrome, and convenience features like remote start. This is the volume seller. Lariat trim, starting around $52,000, is where luxury enters the equation. Leather-appointed seating, heated and ventilated front seats, premium audio, and advanced driver assistance features make the Lariat feel more like a luxury SUV than a work truck. King Ranch and Platinum trims, both priced in the upper $50,000 range, represent the luxury end. King Ranch features unique leather with distinctive stitching, while Platinum focuses on modern luxury with premium materials and advanced technology. The Tremor trim, starting around $55,000, targets serious off-road capability with 33-inch all-terrain tires, upgraded suspension, and locking differentials. Raptor trim, priced around $70,000, represents ultimate off-road performance with specialized suspension, aggressive tires, and reinforced components. At the very top sits the Raptor R starting at $110,000, bringing supercar performance to the pickup segment. This level of customization means whether you're a contractor needing a work truck, a family hauler, a luxury vehicle, or a performance machine, there's a 2026 F-150 that's perfect for your specific needs and budget. The 2026 F-150 proves why this truck has been America's best seller for so many years. With the new Lobo performance variant, class-leading towing and payload numbers, cutting-edge technology, and the most comprehensive powertrain and trim lineup in the segment, Ford isn't just staying ahead of the competition, they're widening the gap. Whether you need a work truck, a family hauler, a luxury vehicle, or a performance machine, the F-150 has you covered. And that's exactly why it continues to dominate.